how to fix Windows cannot access specified device path or file. Now, first thing you want to do is go to your folder that you cannot open. So for example, this one, just right click on that folder and go to properties, then head over to security. And right here, make sure that a group or a certain user is currently under your name, or a appropriate user in which you'll have to pull up this folder to that correct user. To do so, just click on the correct user and click edit. And sometimes there will be files or folders that you cannot open because there is an option here that will get you denied. So if this is currently ticked, just go ahead and untick it and tick all of it and then click apply, and then OK. You should be able to fix your issue right now. Second thing to do is go to your Windows search and type in Windows Security. Hit enter. Now from here, you scroll down to App and Browser Control. Click on that. And then from here, go to Reputation-Based Protection Settings to maximize it. Now, you'll have to untick block apps. Click yes, and then also block downloads. Now, after you downloaded that specific folder, don't forget to reset this back to standard or normal again. So those are the steps on how you can fix Windows cannot access specified device, path, or file.